Good morning, all. I hope we're all doing well. This morning, we have a message from our ancestors. They want us to know the bond between them and us is still very, very strong. They want us to let go of the old and make way for the new. You may find yourself being distracted by random thoughts, fears, and doubts. Don't allow yourself to be governed by them. Simply observe and choose to take aligned action and choices. And they also want you to know it is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, get excited about your future and all it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back to you with a little conscious effort on your part. That happy ending can and will be yours. You need to believe that. Someone is going to try and make you do something you don't want to do, but Archangel Gabriel says stand up for what you believe in and have confidence and claim your personal power. Keep nurturing yourself and your loved ones. There is a journey, either physical or mental, and Archangel Raphael says everything happens for a reason. Release regret and embrace the opportunities for happiness. Search for the silver lining. You have left your worries and troubles and regrets behind, and you're moving forward now in pursuit of happiness. You have muddled and unclear thinking, and Raphael says there is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you. This is all part of your spiritual growth. Something is coming in fast for you, and it's coming in with love. And our last card here is 777. It's alignment, and it says, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. All things simply align as I feel the feeling of the divine. Have a lovely Friday, everybody. I love you all so, so much.